Hey everyone, if you're like me, always on the hunt for gadgets that make your workday smoother, more efficient, and just a bit more fun, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 20 office and work EDC tech gadgets available on Amazon for 2025. These are everyday carry items that'll supercharge your productivity, whether you're in the office, working from home, or on the go. From smart notebooks to portable chargers, and everything in between, I've got the scoop on each one, breaking down their key features to help you decide what's worth adding to your cart. I'll rank them from 1 to 20, explain what makes them awesome, and why they're perfect for your EDC setup. Stick around till the end for my top picks and a special tip on snagging deals. Let's jump right in. Starting with number 1, the Rocketbook Core Reusable Spiral Notebook. This isn't your grandma's notebook. It's a game changer for anyone who loves jotting down ideas but hates wasting paper. First off, you create your notes with the included Pilot Friction Pen, which writes smoothly like a dream. Then digitize them effortlessly using the free Rocketbook app. Just scan your pages and upload straight to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneNote. Boom, your notes are accessible anywhere. When you're done, erase everything with a damp cloth and start fresh. No more cluttered desks or lost ideas. It's built with high-quality, durable materials, premium dotted paper that's reusable, a spiral binding for easy flipping, and a waterproof cover to handle spills. The grid layout is super flexible, great for bullet journaling, sketches, or even math problems. Plus, it comes in 2 portable sizes, letter 8. Multiplied by 11 inches for bigger projects or executive 6 multiplied by 8 inches that slips right into your bag. And the best part? It's eco-friendly, cutting down on paper waste while giving you that authentic paper feel. If you're tired of one-use notebooks, this one's a must-have. Moving on to number 2, the OLIGHT O-Pen Mini 2 Ballpoint Pen and Pencil in 1. Who says a pen can't be high-tech? This bad boy is a versatile bolt-action pen that switches between ballpoint and pencil with a cool reverse S-shaped mechanism. Just click and swap functions effortlessly. The 0.7mm O refill writes super smooth, no skipping or blotting, and it lasts for a whopping 2,000 feet of writing. Perfect for those long meetings or brainstorming sessions. At just 4.13 inches long, it's incredibly portable and hidden. Clip it to your notebook, pocket, or backpack strap, and it's always ready. The metal design features an aluminum alloy body with a skeletonized barrel for a comfy grip that reduces hand fatigue. It's tough, stylish, and makes an awesome gift for teachers or holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. If you need a reliable writing tool that's more than meets the eye, grab this one. Number 3. The 136 GB digital voice recorder with Playback. Recording lectures, interviews, or meetings just got crystal clear. This device uses advanced dual noise reduction microphones for 1536 kbps CMHD audio, capturing every word without background fuzz. It has automatic noise reduction and voice-activated recording, so it only starts when someone speaks, ideal for students, journalists, or music lovers. With 8 GB built-in storage, plus a 128 GB TF card, it holds up to 7,000 hours of recordings in MP3 or WAV format. The 1100 mAh battery lasts up to 68 hours on a single charge, perfect for all-day use. One-click record and save means you push up to start even when off and down to save, no fuss. Transfer files easily via USBC to your computer. It's user-friendly with a big LCD screen, VOR for hands-free operation, A/B repeat for reviewing segments, and password protection for security. Weighing just 97 grams, its durable metal casing makes it portable and tough. Say goodbye to missed details. Number 4. The ProtoArc Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Typing on the go? This trifold wonder makes it feel like you're at a desktop. It has a full-size 105 key layout with 16.5mm keycaps for that satisfying typing experience, all in an ultra-slim, flat design that's super portable. No tilt means it's easy to pack, and the simple fold-and-go mechanism no clips deploys in seconds. Built for business travel, it folds to just 8, multiplied by 4. X 0.78 inches with aluminum hinges that handle over 10,000 folds, tough enough for frequent flyers. Connect to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth and switch seamlessly between your iPad, phone, or laptop on Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. Rechargeable with Type-C. Not for connecting, it has auto sleep for up to 150 days standby. Whisper quiet scissors switches keep noise low, boosting focus by 50% in public spots. Plus, 12 multimedia shortcuts for quick controls like volume or app switching, toggle with FN plus ESC. If you hate tiny screens for typing, this is your savior. Number 5, the 5-in-1 USB-C to HDMI splitter with 4K display. Expand your setup without the bulk. This hub is a connectivity powerhouse. It features a 4K HDMI port for mirroring or streaming to monitors at up to 4K at 30 Hz, a 5 Gbps USB-C data port, 2 5 Gbps USB-A ports, and a 100 WPD in USB-C for charging. Note: charging only, no data or audio here. It supports up to 85 W pass-through charging to keep your laptop juiced while using it. Grab a charger not included for full power. Transfer files at Lightning 5 Gbps speeds via the data ports, no video output there. Compatible with USB-C, USB 4, Thunderbolt on MacBooks, macOS 12 Plus, Windows 10 by 11, Chromios, and DP Alt mode laptops. Not for Linux, but it comes with an 18-month warranty. If you need to connect everything at once, this hub makes multitasking a breeze. Number 6, the ARZOPA 17.3 Portable Monitor. Level up your screen real estate on the move. This beast has a massive 17.3 IPS display with 103% sRGB for vibrant, accurate colors, perfect for gaming, presentations, or creative work. It delivers smooth visuals and high gamut accuracy, making games feel immersive and battles responsive. Switch between landscape and portrait with the built-in stand, adjusting angles for comfort. Connect via Type-C or mini HDMI to laptops, PCs, phones, PS5, Xbox, and more. Multi-display modes let you duplicate, extend, or use as a second screen for boosted productivity. Plug and play with one USB-C cable for video and powerful featured ports needed for phones, no drivers required. If you're tired of squinting at tiny screens, this portable powerhouse is a game changer. Number 7. The Tile by Life 360 Pro Powerful Bluetooth Tracker. Never lose your stuff again. This is Tile's most powerful tracker. Attach it to keys, bags, or gear for peace of mind. It has a 500-foot Bluetooth range, a 1-year replaceable battery, and IP68 water resistance. Ring your Tile from the free app or use it to find your phone even on silent. Integrated with the Life 360 app, it shows locations on a shared map for family safety. Trigger a discreet SOS alert in unsafe spots. Works with iOS and Android, no extra hardware needed. It's a thoughtful gift for keeping valuables safe and family connected. Number 8. The Reyke Key Finder. Forgetful? This set of 4 trackers with sound has you covered. Attached to keys, remotes, phones, or pets, press the color-coded button on the transmitter and follow the 80 dB plus beeps. Built-in LED flashlight helps in the dark. Track up to 131 feet away, penetrating walls and cushions. Ultra-long battery life with included CR2032 for receivers and AA for transmitter, no frequent changes. No app or phone needed, just plug and play. Great for seniors or as a gift, save time hunting for lost items. Number 9. The Epson Workforce ES50 Portable Sheet-Fed Document Scanner. Scan on the fly. This lightweight champ is the fastest and lightest in its class, scanning a page in 5.5 seconds. Handles docs up to 8, multiplied by 72 inches IDs and receipts. USB powered, no batteries needed. Epson ScanSmart software organizes scans, creates searchable PDFs, and editable Word/Excel files with Nuance OCR. Scan to cloud accounts easily. Twain driver works with Windows/Mac and most imaging software. Automatic feeding combines multi-page scans. Perfect for digitizing your paper chaos. Number 10. The tomtoc Electronics Organizer Travel Case. Keep your gadgets tidy. This 1L pouch 9.25x 2.56x 4.72 has smart compartments for cables, chargers, keys, pens, and more, everything in reach. Made from sustainable RPT600D polyester, it's eco-friendly and durable. Versatile for tech or daily items, it fits in bags or stands upright on desks. Portable and convenient, say goodbye to tangled messes. Number 11. The INIU Portable Charger. Power on the go. This 10,000 mAh bank uses PD 3.0 and QC4 Plus for speedy charging iPhone to 60% in 30 minutes. Compact like a card, thinner, smaller, lighter. USB-C in /out fits new devices perfectly. Charges iPhone 8 3.6x, Samsung S10 2.1x, and more. Fast charge 3 devices at once. Vast compatibility, including special modes for small gadgets. Comes with a 3-year warranty and travel pouch, reliable juice for days. Number 12. The short 8-inch 3 and 2 USB-C cable. Charge multiple devices smartly. This 8.66-inch travel essential has 6 ways: USB-C/A to iWatch, L cable for iPhone/iPad, or Type-C for iPhone 15/Samsung. Fast charges up to 2A, iPhone to 45% in 35 minutes, iWatch 50% in 45 minutes, no data transfer. Nylon braided with aluminum shell withstands 40,000 bends. Built-in protections for safety. Supports 3 devices at once, perfect for on the go without bulk. Number 13. The Fitbit Inspire 3 Health and Fitness Tracker with Stress Management. Stay motivated and healthy. This sleek tracker monitors all-day activity, 24/7 heart rate, 20+ exercise modes, and auto-tracking. Stress features include daily readiness score, stress management score, mindfulness, breathing sessions, and notifications for irregular rhythms or SPO2. Sleep tracking with personalized profiles and smart alarms. Water-resistant to 50 meters, up to 10-day battery. Connects for calls/text/notifications. Includes 6-month premium membership for insights, find your energy, and crush your goals. Number 14. The wireless RF 2.4 GHz presentation clicker. Nail your presentations. Plug and play USB receiver, no software needed. Controls, forward/back, volume, hyperlinks, window switch, full/black screen. Bright red laser visible on most backgrounds, not LCD/LED/TV. 100 feet wireless range for room freedom. Magnetic USB storage, rubber buttons, compact design. Uses 1 AA battery with auto sleep. Efficient and comfy for daily talks. Number 15. The Roam Wi-Fi 4G LTE Portable Mobile Hotspot. Stay connected globally. Covers 170+ countries with high-speed data plans, no SIM swaps or fees. Built-in 1 GB for US/CA/MEX 30 days valid. Shares with 10 devices, auto-optimizes networks. Compact with long battery, perfect for travel, work, or gaming. No contracts, easy setup. 24/7 support ensures seamless browsing anywhere. Number 16. The Smart Planner Pro. Achieve more with this undated 13-month planner. Luxurious bleed-proof paper, vegan leatherette hardcover, stitched binding for flat lay. Includes monthly calendars, daily schedules, goals, to-do lists, habit tracking, gratitude, and weekly scoring. Expandable pocket, elastic closure, 3 bookmarks. Scientific approach fights procrastination. Live your goals like never before. Elegant gift-ready packaging. Number 17. The SSK 1 TB USB drive. Massive storage, dual ports. USB-C and USB-A 3.2 for easy transfers between phones/tablets/computers. Up to 550 MB/S read, 500 MB/S write, 10x faster than USB 3.0. Plug and play, no software. Zinc alloy shell for shock/heat resistance. Compatible with Android, iPhone 15, Mac, Windows, TVs, expand space instantly. Safe and reliable for files, photos, videos. Number 18. The Cell Phone Clip Bed Stand Holder. Hands-free viewing. Fits most smartphones, adjustable to 30 inches high with 360 degrees rotation. Bend for the perfect angle. Strong clamp attaches to tables or shelves. Great for movies, music, reading in bed, bath, kitchen, or office. Sturdy design, use both hands to bend. Quick support if needed. Number 19. The Super Bright Cob LED Portable Desk Lamp Travel Lamp. Light up anywhere. Cob Tech outputs 220 lumens, 3x brighter than old models. 3 brightness levels via touch control. Foldable to 5x3, x 1.75, extends to 13, battery 4 SHA, not included or USB powered. Eco-friendly, space-saving, ideal for desks, travel, or emergencies. 12-month warranty. Number 20. The Logitech Mix Anywhere 3S Compact Wireless Mouse. Precision on the go. Tracks on any surface, even glass with 8K DPI sensor. Quiet clicks for satisfying feel without noise. Mag speed scrolls 1000 lines/second. Bluetooth connects to 3 devices on Windows/macOS/Chrome/Linux. Customizable with Logi options plus app. 70-day battery, quick USB-C charge. Made with recycled plastic, optimized workflow without hassle. That was a packed list. My top picks? The Rocketbook for endless note-taking, the INIU charger for reliable power, and the Logitech mouse for seamless control. Which one are you eyeing? Drop a comment below, like if this helped, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Links to all products in the description. Grab them on Amazon before they're gone. Thanks for watching. See you next time.